Hi, my name's John, amateur radio call sign M7CPT. Welcome to Amateur Radio on the Air. As you can see from the wall behind me, one thing that amateur radio users love doing is showing off things like certificates and awards that they've won and earned from what they do on the air. Now, the ones behind me have been earned from a club, and there are others on the internet that you may not have known about. 3 sites you may already know about are QRZ, the ARRL's Logbook of the World, and EQSL. All have certificates that they must verify themselves. What you may not know about is there are other websites such as this one, FT8SP, which is a Polish website designed to encourage Polish amateurs and also people to contact Polish amateurs. You simply go to the website, register an account as someone who doesn't live in Poland, and it will generate certificates according to how many regions of Poland you have contacted and verified with their sites. I'll place links in the comments for this site and the other 3, but if you know of any others, please mention them in the comments. They won't display straight away, I'll have to verify them first. But once done so, they will be visible to others. Now, before I get on to the next bit, I just want to say don't forget to click the buttons down below, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. In addition to websites that only offer their own personal certificates, there is a program that brings together a few of these websites specifically for digital mode certificates. These are considerably numerable. In fact, I currently have over 600 certificates, as you can see scrolling above my head, and this is how to get the program and get the certificates. The program is called Ultimate AAC, and you can find that just by doing a search in Google or going to any one of the websites that you see pictured here, and they will all direct you to that program. Now, when you first download it, you'll have to set up your call sign and also give it the location of your digital log file. You will need to register with each one of the individual websites that are pictured here. Once registered, the certificate of membership will be added for download, and you can start looking through to see what certificates you have actually earned already. For those of you who use WSJT-X for your digital modes, I'll place in the description the link that you will need to use on your computer, just in the file browser, to find the actual address of the ADIF file. Each time you run the program, you'll be presented with this screen. First thing you do is select one of the clubs. It doesn't really matter which one. Once you've selected a club, in the top left hand corner there's a little book icon, and if you click on this, it will upload the digital ADIF file and begin to process it. You don't need to tell it where this file is located each time. Once you've told it where the file is located, it will always go to that same location. If you have certificates waiting to be downloaded, you will be presented with this little pop-up to tell you which sites you need to go to download your certificates. Towards the middle of the bar there is an icon that will change according to whichever club you've got currently highlighted. You'll have to select this and select each club in turn in order to claim your certificates from those clubs. If you see a green section once you've selected the club, that indicates that there is at least one certificate that you can claim. Click on the green sections in turn and they will open up the different sections within that certificate, and once you actually get to the bottom section, you've clicked on the green, you can click apply. The following two pop-ups will actually display on the screen. Simply click yes, then OK, and you will be sent an email confirming that you have actually applied for that certificate. The email will contain a code that you will require to actually claim your certificates, so you need to keep at least one of these emails. If you saw this pop up when you told it to upload your logs, it means you've got actual certificates waiting to be downloaded. To do this, simply click the awards icon and then select the relevant club. This will then open the website in your default browser, and you will need to enter your call sign as well as the download ID that you were sent in the email. On the following screen in your web browser, you will be allowed to select the certificate and the file type that you wish to download, whether that's JPEG or PDF file, and then simply click download. As always, I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon either, and any comments, please leave them down below. All that leaves me to say is catch you on the air.